day, another mod. Yes, yes, yes. This one's my favorite one though. Downpipe time, baby. Don't mind my socks. Start this video off by just showing you how absolutely filthy this car is. Filthy, filthy, filthy all around. Just so filthy. But anyway, give you guys a quick cold start action before the DP goes on. Match socks with the old Montclairs, but God, listen to it. Oh. Couldn't wait. Box already open. Oh man, nicely packaged. Oh God, it got some weight to it. Nicely packaged. 5-inch. Let's get it. Look at this valve cover. Oh, oh. Or beauty cover, whatever you want to call it. To the grass I go. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I'm gonna plug these two clips right here. Oh, I broke that? Nah, I ain't break. Those two clips, get those off. Then flange, then underneath. Pretty quick. Gotta remove this bolt, but I don't think they're pretty dirty. I'm missing a piece right here. What the hell? Wait, yeah. Move this. I ain't gonna be able to record everything though, cause I only got one hand. Got that out nice and easy. I gotta take those two screws off and take off the flange. Oh man. Old in with the new, man. Look at the size. Quick flybys. This nigga didn't shift, bro. Good morning, good morning. Well, this is the next day. Yesterday's video was a big flop, but I'll give you guys the official first cold start. Something random going in tonight. It's like 11:40, but gotta look over on a Monday too. On a Monday, what's that saying? Tire pressure low? No need tire pressure. Spooling. Imagine said he was 30 with it. Nah, he's not sturdy with it. Oh, no, he ain't sturdy. Nah, Jerv's got it, bro. Yeah, a few months? Yeah, he looking bad. Another one coming. Jump in there. But anyway, yeah, that's the end of the night. Meat was trash, if you ask me. More running around than actually eating. So until next.
Let's go. Yeah, 20 bands going into the party with 100 bands. I've been counting so much, I need me another hand. I just want you to be loyal, not another fan. Talking fan, block is hot, got 100 fans.